Siddhant, are you all right?
Yes, Mom. I'm fine. Today KK Reddy again got away, Mom. Anushka insisted me to follow Dad's principles, otherwise I had lost my temper today. Why didn't you tell me earlier, Mom?
I was scared, Siddhant. But you stay away from him. Don't go to him. He's a devil.
Mom.
Do you have faith in Lord Shiva?
What kind of a question is this?
Just answer, Mom. Not for the sake of saying. But do you really believe in Lord Shiva who resides in Mount Kailash?
He's my only hope now.
Then you don't have to worry. God's grace is on me. I have to get justice, not for one person but for two now. My dad and Mr. Sweetie's death shouldn't go in vain. This planet should be rid of that devil, Mom. And people like KK Reddy don't belong here. Please don't stop me, Mom. I just need your blessings.
What is this, Shri? You should have at least told me. So much has happened and I'm totally unaware of it.
Mom, I thought that you will get bothered unnecessarily.
Yes, Shri. I want to get bothered. Even I'm a part of this family. I might not be able to do anything, but at least I should be aware what's happening. Siddhant had come here with a gun to kill KK. The matter has become so serious. He's accusing KK of Prabhakar's murder. Also of Hira and Sweetie too. I mean, what? I can't believe that KK can threaten Miss Gayatri. No, I don't believe it.
And you shouldn't believe it. All these accusations he made are false. Sooner or later it will be proved, Mom. That's the reason I didn't tell you all this. I hadn't thought that the matter would get so serious.
And why didn't you do anything all this while, Shri?
Mom, I thought that Dad would have made some plan.
Now I understand why KK and Anushka were so tensed.
Thank God that Dad stopped Anushka from going there. When Siddhant had come here with a gun, then... No, it's not safe for Anu to stay in that house anymore.
Surprise, surprise.
Hi.
Mom-in-law. Shrikant, I had made so many calls to you and even to Mr. Rao. At least one should have sent a card, but no one answered my call.
Riddhi, the situation was such that...
What situation?
I wonder what happens to Mom. She threw my phone to the floor and damaged it. What do I do now? Tell me. There was the address of that girl's mother in the phone. If this phone doesn't get switched on, then I'll land in trouble. What do I do? And meanwhile, let me give this phone for repair. Until then, I'll buy a new phone for myself. Yeah.
Brother, why don't you use Dad's phone?
This is a good idea. Yes, I'll do that. Moreover, we only have 24 hours to prove KK Reddy guilty. And before that, I'll have to find that girl's mother at any cost.
You will not return to that house.
Anushka?
Sister-in-law?
Hi.
When did you come? How is your dad doing?
I came just now. Dad is fine. That's why I could return. But Anushka, how did all this happen? How did everything become so complicated? And what is Siddhant saying? Father-in-law? How can father-in-law do such things? Mr. Prabhakar was his best friend. And I heard that Sweetie, Siddhant's assistant, he too was murdered? What is going on, Anushka? What's going on?
No idea, sister-in-law. I am totally lost. Siddhant is after Dad's life, you know. And on top of that, both of them have challenged each other. It is only a matter of 24 hours. I'm feeling scared just by thinking that what might happen tomorrow. Because one among them is telling the truth. If tomorrow, what if Dad is proved wrong, then it will be my defeat. And if Siddhant turns out to be wrong, then I'll have to leave his house and stay here. No matter who wins tomorrow, but I will lose in both the situations.
Can't you do it sooner than that? Hey, you already know how difficult life becomes without phone these days. All my data and information is in that phone. Yes, please try. The faster you repair the phone for me, the more money you'll get, sir. Just inform me the moment it's repaired, even if it's in the middle of the night. I'll come and collect it immediately. Thank you. Anushka! Anushka! Purva! Where's Anushka?
What do you mean? She followed you to her father's place. She hasn't returned. What's the matter, brother? Is everything fine?
Yes, it's nothing. You carry on. Hello, Anushka. Where are you? Why aren't you at home?
Don't you remember? You told me not to come home until you prove that my dad...
Hey, I said that in anger. You took it seriously. It's your house too, Anushka. And who am I to stop you from coming here?
I thought that you were serious.
I'm very sorry. But remember this from now on. No matter what I say, you just sit on my bike and come home with me. And besides, I feel very lonely without you, Anushka. I feel helpless without you. I don't understand anything.
Siddhant, it's just a matter of 24 hours. Both you and my dad have only 24 hours. Please end this forever and we shouldn't talk about this topic again.
Good night.
Good night, Siddhant.
Tomorrow I'll prove your father wrong, Anushka. And no matter what, I will send him to prison. And you... I'll bring you back home with me. This is my promise.
whatever you have to. I need Krishnamurthy's wife. Go and check the entire village of Agrapalli. Check his NGO too. Where did he go all of a sudden? Tell me. What is it?
I have captured Siddhant, Mr. Rao. Now tell me, what should I do?
No. Don't do anything. You just keep an eye on him. I'll be there.
Okay.
Yes. Roshan. 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 You have no idea, Siddhant, that you are digging your own grave.
I had told KK Reddy beforehand that you shouldn't act too smart with me. What would I do if you will do everything? Should we just sit and do nothing? My father used to tell me that some people are just too stubborn. You were the one who started all this. You were the one who sent goons to my house with guns, didn't you? Now I'm giving you a taste of your own medicine. Why are you worried?
You are talking too much. You'll be in a huge trouble, Siddhant.
Hey Rao, I'm not underestimating you, alright? Instead, you were the one who did it. Now everyone will know KK Reddy's truth by tomorrow morning.
How will it get revealed? Who will spill the beans?
Oh, I forgot to tell you. You will be saying it. You will be revealing the truth about KK Reddy.
I'll say the truth if you tell me to. You don't know what kind of person I am. I am from a village from Andhra Pradesh. I am a very tough person. You can't force me to spill the beans.
I am not able to call him. KK has 24 hours to prove that KK is right and Siddhant is wrong. Only then will Anushka leave Siddhant and come back home.
Sir, I have checked Mr. Rao's room. No one is in the room. The guard said that he went somewhere in the car.
Where did he go?
I don't know, sir.
Then go find that out and inform KK immediately.
Yes, sir.
This is the same scar which you got me when I hit you in the parking lot, right? You are Sweetie's murderer, right? You have no clue, Rao, how eager I am to teach you a lesson. To tell you honestly, I don't want you to confess so easily. I will compel you to blurt out the bitter truth.
I'll tell you, Siddhant. The man behind all this is Mr. KK. Mr. KK is behind all this. I did all this at his behest.
Hello, Mr. Bansal. Sorry for calling you early in the morning.
What is it? Tell me.
I need one more favor from you. I've found an evidence against KK Reddy in the murder cases of Prabhakar Sinha, Hira Sanyal and Sweetie Singh.
What? Are you out of your senses? Do you know what you are saying? If it is proved to be wrong, then do you know what will happen? Do you have any clue?
I know, sir. KK Reddy is very powerful. That's why we need police support to arrest him. Can you send in an honest police officer who can fulfill his duty honestly without succumbing to pressure?
Send me the time and address. I'll send in an officer from the crime branch.
Thank you, sir. Once you reach here, KK Reddy, you won't be able to get back home. I'll send you directly to jail, and that's for sure.
I found Mr. Rao's car.
Where did you find it? Are you worried about Siddhant? KK knows where he is.
Where is he, Dad?
KK is just going over there. Will you come with me? If you go there, then you'll get to know Siddhant's reality. Then after that, don't forget your promise. If Siddhant is proven to be wrong, then you will come back to me and to my house.
Come on, KK Reddy. I am ready to prey on you. You won't escape today. Today I'll expose you before the world.
Do you know what your brother Siddhant has done? He came home with a gun to kill Dad. If you can make him understand, or else I won't stop next time.
You are threatening me in my house. You know what, Karthik? Till now I was thinking it was brother's misconception. But now I am sure. Do you know what your dad has done? He came and threatened my mom.
Do you have any proof that my dad threatened Miss Gayatri?
KK Reddy will not spare him. Go, call him. Bring the phone. Go. Don't just stand here.
I don't need any proof, Karthik. My mom is not going to lie to us. Your father is not what he seems to be.
You are overstepping your limits. I'm not ready to hear anything against my dad. Understood?
Even I can't hear anything against my mom and my brother. You've turned a blind eye to truth. As long as you don't see the truth, I don't think we should meet. And one more thing. You be careful. Brother won't spare anyone.
Why have you come here?
KK brought her along so that she can see your reality. That how low you can stoop.
Siddhant, tell me why have you trashed Mr. Rao?
It's good that you came here. She will get to know the true nature of one of us.
Siddhant Sinha?
You've come here at the right time, Inspector. KK Reddy's secret will get revealed before everyone. All the crimes that you have committed or made him commit, he has confessed to all of them. Right from your first coal mine to the airline crash, Prabhakar Sinha, Hira Sanyal and Sweetie's murders. Everything. So it's better if you confess to your crimes too.
KK had killed Prabhakar Sinha. Because he wanted to know the secret behind the plane crash. He was not stopping. So KK killed him. KK masterminded the airline crash. KK killed Hira Sanyal as well because she knew too much. And Sweetie's death was a lesson for insignificant creatures not to intervene in bigger issues. Huh? This is what you believe, Siddhant Sinha. But this is not true. KK did not do anything as such. KK doesn't know what Rao has told you in private. Inspector, remove his gag. He will tell you everything.
Dhaniram, go and ungag Rao.
Tell me the truth, Rao. Tell them what you told me.
I'm sorry, sir. Siddhant beat up me so badly that I told him the truth. Prabhakar Sinha, Hira Sanyal, and Mr. Sweetie, I killed them. Mr. KK doesn't know anything about this. He doesn't know anything. I am the one who did all this.
Why are you not telling the entire truth? Speak the entire truth. You told me a while ago that KK Reddy is behind all this.
This is the truth, Mr. Siddhant.
Don't use physical force in the presence of the police. Control yourself, or else you will be punished by the law.
Tell the entire truth. Tell the truth, Rao.
Siddhant Sinha! Behave yourself, or else we'll have to arrest you.
Inspector, take Rao away.
All this is a lie. The main culprit is trying to escape by making his sidekick the scapegoat. Rao is just a pawn for him. Why would he kill Prabhakar Sinha, Hira Sanyal?
Because they all wanted to destroy Mr. KK. Mr. KK took me under his wings and made me who I am. I couldn't tolerate anyone trying to ruin him. Prabhakar Sinha wanted to frame Sir in the plane crash case. That's why I killed him. And Hira Sanyal knew this very well. That's why I had to kill her too. Let me tell you very honestly that I didn't mean to kill Sweetie. I wanted to kill Siddhant Sinha. He got killed by mistake. I revere Mr. KK as God. And whoever becomes a threat to Mr. KK, I will kill that person. I didn't do anything wrong. I returned Mr. KK's favor.
You killed my friend Prabhakar Sinha. In your obsession to return my favor, you turned into a monster, Rao. How will I face Siddhant and Anushka now? Tell me. Miss Gayatri, how will I go in front of her? You have heard his confession, Inspector. Arrest this man and take him out of KK's sight.
Come on.
Rao, my family is very nervous since Siddhant barged into my house and Anushka asks me too many questions. KK's troubles are increasing. Anything can happen now. KK might get into some kind of trouble.
I'm ready to face any situation. I've been working with you since so many years. I'm your loyal servant. I'm ready to face anything. I'll fulfill my duty. I will take the entire blame.
Watch your favorite dramas on DRM Drama and don't forget to subscribe.